Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best face masks for oily skin that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Revive Science Kaolin Clay. One of the best natural absorbents, clay works wonders for oily skin by quickly sucking up and removing excess sebum. At the same time, it takes away toxins and, thus, does a great job for all skin types without dehydrating or drying out the skin. All of this is exactly what a clay mask from Revive Science is meant for. The product formula is built around a combo of 3 clays perfectly balanced to deliver the best of the skin benefits they offer. Kaolin clay, most often used in this type of masks, is an excellent absorbent, exfoliant, and soothing agent. It will help control the skin oiliness, exfoliate dead cells from the surface, and calm down irritations. Blue clay is known to deeply penetrate into pores, to draw out the dirt and grime, remove toxins, and prevent blackheads. Rich in silica, pink clay is really great on improving the skin elasticity and maintaining the cell renewal. To further enhance the clay effect, the mask also contains lecithin and activated charcoal. While charcoal ensures consistent oil absorption and toxin removal, plant lecithin provides a strong hydrating effect to make your skin look supple and younger. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Cetaphil Purifying Clay Mask. Cetaphil Pro Derma Control Purifying Clay Mask is gentle yet effective, which is precisely what sensitive skin needs. Mild ingredients that will be cleansing the skin without stripping it, and without leaving the skin feeling tight and dry. The product is also compatible with oily and combination skin types though. This cream has been formulated with 2 gentle clay types, bentonite and Amazonian kaolin. While bentonite clay will be absorbing oil and minimizing pores. Appearance: the Amazonian kaolin clay will be exfoliating the skin, lifting away dead skin cells, and improving the skin's tone and texture. Aside from these 2 clays, the formula is also adopting an apple fruit extracts that hydrate the skin and cucumber seed extracts that brighten the skin tone. The product's also not without cetyl and stearyl alcohol, harmless compared to most fatty alcohols yet potent enough to dry the skin when you use the cream more than once every 2 days, so we'd recommend not doing that. What we do recommend doing is massaging the mask into the skin, allowing the cream to sit for 5 to 10 minutes and rinse it away. As long as you stick to this nice little ritual, your skin will start looking clean and feeling refreshed before you know it. At number 3, we have the Shea Moisture Clarifying for oily skin. If you constantly struggle to get rid of pimples, blackheads, bumpy texture, and dark spots, which are the signs of problem skin, the clarifying mud mask from Shea Moisture will undoubtedly catch your fancy. To tackle breakouts and other prone skin problems, this mask is meticulously formulated, lending complex action and allowing you to quickly achieve visible results. The main secret behind the product formula is African black soap, which is produced from ashes of locally harvested plant and is a mighty helper for oily and problem-prone skin. The blend of palm leaf ash and tamarind extract deeply cleanses and exfoliates the skin by lifting up grime from pores and smoothing the skin bumps. Besides, tamarind is a potent toner and moisturizer, so it will also help hydrate and revitalize your skin. To proceed, your skin will also benefit from effects provided by tea tree oil, aloe vera leaf juice, and shea butter. A deposit of vitamin E tea tree oil delivers strong antibacterial effect and relieves inflammations, while aloe vera soothes irritations and hydrates the skin, and rich in fatty shea butter heals the damages. At number 2, we have the L'Oreal Paris Pure Clay Detox and Brighten. What sets the L'Oréal Paris Pure Clay Mask apart among the rivals is that it is impressively effective at minimizing the skin pore look, which is yet another oily skin problem, along with pesky oily shine. Excess sebum produced by oily skin mixes with dirt and dead cells accumulated on the skin surface and eventually clogs pores, making the skin feeling rough and enlarging the pore size as a result. Based on 3 pure clays, the L'Oréal Paris Face Mask will unclog the pores by quickly removing impurities and tighten the pores up, thus minimizing their size and making them less visible. The formula also contains apricot seed powder that takes away the toxins to refresh your skin, improve circulation, and let it breathe. Meanwhile, red algae extract demonstrates strong nourishing, hydrating, and anti-aging properties. It will saturate your skin with moisture and level up the skin's elasticity, as well as enhance the skin's natural protective barrier. And finally, at number 1, we have the Biore Charcoal Instant Warming Clay for oily skin. The key to oily skin, smooth texture, matte finish, and clean look is efficient deep cleansing. And the warming mask from Biore really excels in this concern. The product is formulated to warm up while contacting wet skin. Providing a thermal effect, it opens pores more easily and gets deeper to unclog the grime, draw out the dirt, and purify below the skin surface. It starts melting on your skin almost immediately and effectively removes the oil and surface toxins in less than a minute. Meanwhile, if you want to achieve a thinner mask consistency and double the heating action, you can mix in some more water. Containing no oils, the Biore mask will exfoliate and purify your skin without irritating it or drying it out. Infused with charcoal, it absorbs the excess oil after sucking up the impurities and leaves your skin smooth and glowing after the very first use. And thanks to menthol included in the formula, the mask finishes with a nice cooling sensation to calm down your skin and make it feel fresh and revitalized. Subject to regular use up to 3 times a week, it will help clear out all pimples and dark spots and restore your skin natural softness and healthy glow. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.